Welcome to the Scoringi Law Lunch Break. This is your time of the day to learn a little bit about the law while you enjoy your lunch. A few weeks ago, Pennsylvania's Second Amendment supporters received a big win in court. In a significant decision issued on September 28th of 2018, the Chief Judge of the United States District Court for the Middle District of Pennsylvania declared that the Federal Gun Control Act of 1968 is unconstitutional as applied to a man who had been convicted of a second DUI offense. It was a second offense for sentencing purposes, as the Pennsylvania man had been granted ARD for his first DUI charge. Moreover, that second DUI offense was at the highest rate of blood alcohol concentration level. The result of a breathalyzer test showed a blood alcohol content of 0.192. In Holloway v. Sessions, Raymond Holloway's second DUI offense was graded as a misdemeanor of the first degree, punishable by a maximum term of imprisonment of 5 years, which resulted in a lifetime prohibition under the federal statute against possessing firearms. Holloway sued in federal court, seeking a restoration of his firearms rights, arguing that the federal gun control statute is unconstitutional as applied to him. In ruling on his motion for summary judgment, the Chief Judge Christopher Connor held that Holloway's second offense DUI does not constitute a serious criminal offense under applicable federal appeals court precedent, and that the government had not satisfied its burden of proving that banning Holloway from ever possessing firearms would promote public safety. The Holloway decision is very important to central Pennsylvanians who have certain misdemeanor convictions in their backgrounds, but perhaps an otherwise clear criminal record and no other history that would disqualify them from possessing firearms under the federal gun control statute. The Holloway decision helps pave the way for these Pennsylvanians to seek a restoration of their right to keep and bear firearms, notwithstanding a prior conviction of an offense that disqualifies them under federal law. Congratulations to Attorney Joshua Prince of the Prince Law Offices for obtaining the successful outcome for Mr. Holloway. Scoringi law attorneys have cases pending before the federal district courts on similar as-applied challenges to the constitutionality of the Federal Gun Control Act and are hopeful for similar outcomes. Scoringi law attorneys are experienced in evaluating and litigating actions which seek to restore citizens' rights to keep and bear firearms under the Second Amendment to the United States Constitution. If you're disqualified from possessing firearms under state or federal law and seek an analysis of your case to determine whether you have a good claim to receive a restoration of your firearms rights, call our office for a free consultation at 717-657-7770. Well, that's about all the time we have today for the Scoringi Law Lunch Break. Thanks for listening and enjoy your lunch.